Hi, I'm Agent Bennett, and today I'm going to show you how to set up some ambient TV lights that'll respond to what you're watching. Here's what you'll need: the Govee DreamView TV backlights and light bar with camera for the size of TV that you have, a smartphone with the Govee Home app installed, a TV, and a Wi-Fi network that's using the 2.4 GHz band. All right, let's jump into it. The first thing you'll want to do is clean the back of your TV. We'll be mounting the lights, control box, and camera, so take some time to wipe the dust using the included pads. Then let the TV fully dry before moving to the next step. Peel a small amount of backing off the tape on the light strip and start sticking the light strip around the back of the TV. Press the light strip to the back of the TV for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. Don't squeeze or pinch the TV screen while you're holding it because that could damage the screen. Continue to peel and attach the light strip. At the corners, there won't be any lights, just a cable that leads to the light strip for the next side of the TV. When you're done, use the cable clips to secure it even more to the TV. Put each light bar into the stands cable side first. The light bars don't go all the way down into the stands, so there's room for the cable. Put one light bar next to each side of the TV, about 20 inches away. Make sure it's facing the wall and is in line with the TV. Attach the camera to the top, making sure it's aligned with the center of the TV. A lot of new TVs are really thin at the top. If that's the case with yours, you might need to mount it to the bottom instead. Now, take the control box and secure it to the back of the TV. Next, plug the light strip into the top USB-C port and the light bars into the bottom USB-C port in the control box. And just a heads up, during the calibration process, you'll tell it where the lights are placed. So if you change how they're plugged in at some point, you'll have to recalibrate. Next, plug the camera into the USB-A port and then plug the power cord into the control box and into the wall. All the lights should turn on, letting us know the install is complete. We'll finish the rest of the setup in the Govee Home app. Now, before we get into the app, make sure your Wi-Fi is on and connected and that Bluetooth is turned on. Okay, open the Govee Home app and swipe through the first few screens. Read through the user agreement and privacy policy, and if you agree, tap Accept. On the lower right-hand corner, tap the My Profile icon, then tap Login. If you don't have a Govee account, you can create one here. Otherwise, log into your Govee account. Once you've signed in, you'll see the home screen. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. In the search bar, type the model number of the Govee system you are installing and tap on it. I'm installing the H605D. The app will search via Bluetooth to see if it's nearby. Once it's found, tap on it and the app will start the connection process. When it tells you, press the on-off button on the control box. Once it connects, you can name the device and tap Done. I'm going to leave the default name. You'll see a video that walks you through the installation process. You can watch this to get a quick overview or tap Next to move on. Read the information about the calibration process, and when you're ready, tap on Got It. Tap the Start button, tap on the lights that lit up, and then tap Next. Press the power buttons to see if the light bars are in the right position. If you power on the left one but the right one turns on, or vice versa, tap the Switch Positions button and verify that it's now correct. Once the lights are in the correct position, tap the Position Correct button. Now the app will start searching for the Wi-Fi to connect the system to. Find the correct Wi-Fi name in the list and select it. Then type the password. Remember, this system will only work with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Most of the newer wireless routers have a 5 GHz and a 2.4 GHz network. So for this to work, you have to make sure it's on the 2.4 option. This process varies based on your equipment and network, so I won't get into specifics here. Just know that if you're struggling to establish a connection, this might be the reason. When you're ready, tap Done. The system will now connect to the Wi-Fi network. For the light strip, select the right option. Mine is doing this one. I'll tap Confirm. Now choose how you mounted your camera on the top or the bottom of the TV. Tap Confirm. Now, make sure your lights in the room are on and the TV is off. Next, gently apply the foam stickers to the TV in the pattern shown in the app. Don't press hard as you may damage your TV. Also, if you need to remove the pads to reposition them, don't pull straight out. Peel them from the side. Once all the foam stickers have been put into place, tap on Ready. The animation will show that you're going to be dragging points to the different locations of the foam stickers on the screen. Tap on Got It to begin. Drag the points for the 4 corners of the screen and then do the middle one. Tap Next. Now you can drag the 2 middle points to the middle foam stickers. Tap Submit. Now that the calibration is done, gently remove the foam stickers from the TV. Remember to peel from the edge instead of pulling straight out from the TV screen. At this point, the app might prompt you to update. Tap on Upgrade Now to install it. Make sure your phone stays within 2 meters to keep the connection. You can now set colors and change various settings for the lights. To get the lights to react to what you're watching, tap on the Movie Watching DreamView option. Next, tap Add. Then, tap on your DreamView system. The app will connect to your system and then switch modes. Now watch something on your TV and see how the lights respond. Now, if you want the lights to react to music, tap the Music option. The lights will react to various parts of the music that the built-in microphone picks up. Pretty cool, right? Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching!